The child safety lock prevents accidents by stopping children from opening the rear doors from inside the vehicle. Open the rear door and insert the mechanical key into the key slot. Turn it to the lock position, then close the rear door. Now, the rear doors cannot be opened from inside the vehicle. The rear doors can only be opened from outside the vehicle. Turn the mechanical key to the unlock position to deactivate the child safety lock. If the driver presses the power window lock button, the rear windows cannot be opened from the rear seats. Use the child safety lock to protect your children and vehicle.
Kia. Movement that inspires.